Okay, first reaction. I'm really excited because I just got my Art Journal subscription box. So let's take a look and you'll see my reaction. Okay, so here is the box. This is more geared towards fall, so you can see the beautiful muted green. I have literally gotten one peek of what is in this box, and by one peek I mean a color palette. So I actually have no clue what's in here, and I'm really excited to see. Ooh. Ooh. Ethereal Desert. Oh, that. Ooh. Okay, we'll save that. We'll save that. Oh, wow. What a beautiful cover. Oh. And with a pen loop. Let's go ahead and see. Where's a notebook? Where's a notebook? I have 8 million notebooks and I can't find a notebook. This is on brand. Let's go ahead. I think, I don't know if I should be putting, it's like a notebook cover, so I don't think it goes in here. Oh, I guess it can. I may not do that because then you have multiple pockets, right? You have a pocket back here and this pocket. So this might be good just to have, and it fits the A5 really nicely. Let me see how it is just putting it inside here as like a protective cover. Oh my God, I'm sorry, I'm excited. So I'm a little all over the place. Yeah, so you can definitely do either or. So it's very nice, fits an A5 size perfectly. And you definitely have these nice muted tones. Oh my God, it already reminds me of fall. I'm so happy about it. So there's the cover. We'll get into the acrylographs in a second. Ooh. Multiple notebooks. That's what I've come to know and love from Arch and Olive. Okay, so we have a craft sketchbook. Like I said, this is the first time I'm seeing any of this. So all I got was like the color palette of the release. And I got like a 2-second look at it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this craft sketchbook. That means no dots in this one. It would just be a blank sketchbook. Oh my God. Okay, first of all, everyone knows, I think everyone knows, purple is my favorite color. And everyone knows that I love the mountains because oh my God. Okay, I'm popping it off. I was just gonna slide it off, but I'm gonna tear. The mountains. Oh, I am keeping this. I am keeping this. Oh, this is beautiful. God, I love the new notebook smell. Everyone knows I love the mountains. I go hiking and camping all the time. So this is mine. I'm no giveaway with that one. I'm sorry. That one would be mine. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Gosh, I love these colors. I mean, not shocking, fall is my favorite. Ooh. A5 rainbow notepad. Okay. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. I don't know why I'm using tweezers to open this. I have a problem. Okay. Oh, 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 oh my God. Oh, oh, this is everything. Oh my God. Look at those colors. Wow, that is gorgeous. I'm also going to be keeping this. Sorry, no giveaway, no giveaway. That's not what I was expecting when I saw rainbow notepad. Oh, oh, this is so beautiful. Oh God, I love enamel pens. I never know what to do with them, but I love enamel pens. Anyone else in that same boat? So that's a beautiful cactus. Let's see what's in here. Oh, so these are the other sneaks that I saw from Bonnie. So these little page flags, some little sticky notes. Oh gosh, this color palette. This is my vibe. Ooh, a ruler stencil. That's what I like. You guys know how I like stencils. Oh, well, isn't that awesome? Oh my gosh, this is wonderful. I have to see like what I can do with all of these things and how it matches up. Where's the dot grid? Where's the dot grid? Don't mind me while I go on a tangent. I'll do a whole video about how to use this. Okay, cool. Perfectly fits in A5. So this goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, so that's nice because that will do 3 columns with the 8 size. And then what is this? This is also 8, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay, and then these. Oh, you know, this is probably the exact size that Bonnie does her like weeklies. You know how she does like the vertical. So this looks like a ruler to really work well on like that type of vertical layout. And then, oh, I don't know what to do with that. Okay, I'm going to explore this in another video. And if you want to see that video, please let me know. And then binder clips. We all know how popular these are. Ooh, oh, I love these. Oh, and this is a lot of the doodles that you see on the front of the Archer and Olive notebooks. The snake, the moth, the florals. Oh, those are very beautiful. And then let's get into the this washi tape. Oh my goodness. Let's look. Let's look. Let's look. Get them out. Oh, awesome. This matches this, but with gold. So let's go ahead and take a full look at this. I don't know what that sound was, sorry. See, this is how you know it's like my reaction because I don't know how to make sounds. Ooh, the desert vibes. Ooh. So pretty. These colors, though. I love these colors. Okay, so we have the peach with some cactus and florals. Sorry, there we go. And then the last one, ooh, the lines. The lines. And I assume that these are the colors basically that will be in the Acrylograph. So let's go ahead and take a look at those as well. Had I known, I would have matched my nails for this. Oh gosh. Okay. And then let's look at the Acrylographs. Yep, that's what I figured. So you have this like burnt orangey red. It's like a nice combination, very like plum color. You have, gosh, I don't even know what to call this. I'll have to find out what they're like, the actual names. You have like a dusty pink. And then this is more like a beigey yellow. It definitely has a yellow look, and they're all in the 0.7 millimeters. So I will pen test these again in another video, but here are the acrylographs for this collection. Let me know how you feel about this box, if you're excited for it. Let me know what your favorite item in the box is. I can't wait to hear. I think my favorite item in the box, I have to say, is this notebook. Well, this rainbow. Oh gosh. I love these colors. These are my colors. These are my people. I love these colors so much. Let me know what your favorite item is. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and look at the values. So we have the A5 craft sketchbook, that is the mountain, in the purple, that is $32. You have the special edition notepad, which is $35. You have the embroidered notebook cover, that is worth $45. The box of 3 binder clips, $12. The acrylic ruler stencil, that is $15. The enamel pin, worth $12. The acrylograph set of 5, worth $22. And then the set of 4 washi, worth $11. So I'm not going to do math, but that's the value of this box. I hope you all love these items. Actually, that doesn't even include the sticky notes that are on here. Ooh. So valued even more, because I don't know what the value of the sticky notes is. But let me know what your favorite item is. Is it the sketchbook? Is it the notepad? My favorite has got to be that notepad. It is stunning. Okay, that's what I got. I hope you all love this box. Let me know what you love in the comments down below. Let me know if you have bought the box. I am an affiliate, so if you use the link in my description, you can support me and my small business by using that link. I earn a commission on the sales for any boxes that you buy using that link, or any other items. I am going to assume that this is like the other boxes that you cannot use my affiliate code. But if you put the box and other items in your checkout, then the other items can use my code, and that is EFD10 at checkout. So thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you to Archer and Olive for sending this to me early as being part of the design team. I have found my people with Archer and Olive, so thank you so much. Not only do they care about me as a person and my mental health, which obviously has been struggling lately if you have caught me over on Instagram, but they're such a supportive bunch. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.